डॉग रोबोट नहीं जो आईपीएल मैच में भी घूमता था।
हाँ
वो
हाँ
भी
हाँ
शायद
हाँ
अगर
हाँ.
दिखे।
You see big manufacturers like Audi, BMW and whatnot. These people use these kind of automated robots. That's a whole platform on which your whole production will be depended upon. Smart DGCam
cam
incoming on the Pearl. The whole thing costs more than the Nvidia part. See you guys in the event.
एंड तक देखना, बीच में
End
skip
तक
मत
देखना.
करना।
Yes. Welcome everybody to Just Chuck It. I am here with my cousin Purvil and he is my cousin Mama, but हमारे बीच में इतना एज डिफरेंस नहीं है तो मैं उसको भाई बुलाता हूँ. The funny part is today is not a automobile का vlog, but today is a automation event का vlog. So we are here to attend something which is related to mechanical engineering. So stay tuned because this is a whole stall filled area and you will guys who are into mechanical will love it. He's the guy, by the way, who is responsible why this channel exists, why I'm into cars. So welcome to Just Chuck It, sir ji.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द वार्म वेलकम।
अपना प्लान था ना vlogging करने का. So this vlog, this channel, the reason why I'm into automobiles is because of him. He himself is handling a company of his own for mechanical products. What do we manufacture?
We manufacture OEM parts and
Yes.
other precision parts on CNC machines.
So we have CNC machine, CNC lathe machine. Milling हम नहीं करते ना. हाँ,
milling.
milling हम नहीं करते, but कुछ ना कुछ हमारा प्लानिंग चल रहा है. In future we'll see what happens. See you guys in the event.
एंड तक देखना, बीच में
End
skip
तक
मत
देखना.
करना।
Yes. So we are in the one of the halls of the event, and as you can see, Omron है यहाँ पे. Then there is Enders and Houses. So Purvil was just explaining me what exactly is Omron.
Omron is a manufacturer of the PLCs and different kind of sensors and actuators. Competitor है Siemens और Schneider वालों का।
Okay.
Similar to
And
that.
this is the controlling system वाला
Controlling.
unit.
This whole completely seems like a control automation system का ही है।
Whatever you are seeing right now, every stall here is regarding control system from air to fluids and mix as well. So it's air water mix as well. So I just stumbled upon one of the companies. It is called as CNT Solutions Inc. Now the reason why I'm showing you this is because मेरा कॉलेज का एक प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें I need to integrate object detection. So I'll show you guys what exactly how it works is. What they have is a small model of a truck on which cameras are placed, right? And then when you come to the display, there's like object detection happening on the go. So what it detects is person-to-person detection is happening on the go. And to be honest, that's pretty impressive. So if I go back, that's detecting me right now. Pretty spectacular if you ask me. You were saying something? So these are fisheye cameras, right? So we just had a word with one of the tech guys. What he told us was that they provide a platform for surveillance. So basically you see these things, right? These are a platform, you plug and play those cameras into here and that simply shows you that feed. So basically just how platforms work, this platform is basically capturing your feed from the camera, any type of camera you want to use. That camera simply gives the feed, that detects the whole, it gets used to the whole scenario and then it provides you the feed. So the object detection is AI based definitely, but they are using something like Intel, Nvidia and whatnot. There are a few specs if you can see. So Nvidia based object detection, you know how good it has to be, and that's really good. And also these sizes are of course load based sizes. So if you have a small load, that's the smallest one that they have. This is a bigger one because there are like 8 cameras on there. That's really amazing how the whole system is into integrated parts and the whole body is aluminum based and the whole heat dissipation is via fins and via aluminum fins. So we spotted another thing. This is another Linux based technology. That's a whole CPU, guys. So you plug this in to your camera feed?
Camera feed or anything. You can plug it and program it as per your own convenience.
So you program this small bad boy and it shows you a whole feed on the Linux feed. Basically, it's a small CPU that can do anything you want, which is of course your system requirements and whatnot. And that's how they are making it. That's amazing, man. That's really amazing. But there is one catch though. That small piece is a bit pricey, right?
It's more expensive than
अरे हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Ryzen का आता है ना,
Ryzen, okay.
उससे भी महंगा
So
है.
basically, it might be an NVIDIA powered system, but the whole thing costs more than the NVIDIA part. But there's like a bunch of technology just for object detection.
That CPU you can build your own AI, and even you can do any kind of the machine learning whichever you want to do.
Oh.
It's quite easy.
So basically अगर कुछ कंट्रोल सिस्टम बनाना है किसी को
हाँ,
तो
उससे
ये
आराम
इंटीग्रेट
से-
कर लो, कोड कर लो एंड यू आर
तेरी
रेडी टू
गाड़ी
गो.
के लिए भी बन सकता है. i10 को तो इससे
Smart digicam
Smart
incoming on the Pearl. So we are here at the stall which is of Siemens, and Purit, is it regarding?
So they are the distributor for the PLCs and HMIs of Siemens
ओके.
manufacturer.
सो लेमन टर्म में अगर एक्सप्लेन करना हो, अगर आपके पास बड़ा सा प्लांट है,
हाँ.
उसमें आपको पूरा प्रोडक्शन लाइन इंक्लूड करना है, प्रोग्राम करना है,
ऑटोमेटिक
करना
कि
है.
आपका कहीं पे खड़े रहने की
Yes.
जरूरत ना हो, तो ये PLC
Then
और
this
आपका-
is the place how to do it. See, there's like servo motors there, there's like drivers, there's HMIs, and that's the whole system, how it works. That's the working model. There's a whole simulation going on as well. That's your digital display where everything you can see, everything you can monitor. That's the PLC, that's the HMI, that's the drivers. Pretty heavy loaded stuff, if I would say. So we and Purul also spotted this. Layman terms में हम लोग अगर सिखाए.
नहीं, फुल फॉर्म है इंडस्ट्रियल इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स.
Yeah. So industrial Internet of Things means, for example, you have a plant in India, and you are somewhere in Germany for some business plans. But you need to monitor your production levels, your feed rate, how much quantity do you have. That's when IIoT comes into play. What Purul explained me to was, तुम्हारा पहले जितना भी प्रोडक्शन होता है, जितना रिजेक्शन होता है, तुम्हारा मैनेजर वहाँ पे कौन है, everything is feeded into the IIoT, and it is customizable to a great extent, right, Purvil?
Yes.
That's a whole platform on which your whole production will be dependent upon. Okay, so one of the hall is completed. We are now at the second hall. Second hall में है robotics. Now यहाँ पे जो होने वाला है, that is going to be the entire robotic systems or robotic products.
Products, systems, or any kind of.
So we are going to explore that.
If we are lucky, we may find a humanoid robot here.
Oh yeah, because we saw in the list
Even-
ABB was mentioned.
हाँ, और इवन वो डॉग रोबोट नहीं जो IPL मैच में भी घूमता था.
हाँ
वो
हाँ
भी
हाँ
शायद
हाँ.
अगर दिखे तो.
So थोड़ा अभी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. So stay tuned now. Yes, what we just saw. Purvil said कि यहाँ पे अगर रोबोट्स है तो आपको IPL वाला रोबोट देखने मिलेगा. There it is. There it is. That's a really great system, man. Wait. Just spotted this bad boy. You see that whole thing, right? That whole thing is automated. This thing moves forward and backwards like that, along with the arm. So, if you have your system in such a way that it needs to move, that whole thing is integrated. This works is, हमने जो कंट्रोल सिस्टम्स देखे थे वो और ये रोबोट्स सब इंटीग्रेटेड होते हैं एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे. Those platforms are also a secondary thing, and that's how your whole thing is, attached to your manufacturing processes. Purvil also told me कि you can code it in such a way कि coordinates देने पड़ते हैं उनको, because that's how these robots works. Of course, this is the most layman way में हम समझा सकते हैं, but technically there's a lot of coding, there's a lot of algorithm that goes into this bad boys. But this is pretty interesting. There's a small back there. That's how it works. For example, that's how a warehouse system works, right? So ये चीज़ ऐसा है कि तुम्हारा warehouse में अगर तुम्हें surveillance करना है या तुम्हारा projects अगर execute करना है तो that is the way these robots are being used. So तुम्हारा forklift से लेके pick and place का जो कुछ भी है, that's how this robot was working. This is only one of the few small robots that they are showing. There are even bigger robots out in this whole gallery, but man, This is some, and that is powered by ABB. Wait, I just spotted it. Now ABB is really famous for automobile manufacturing. You see big manufacturers like Audi, BMW and whatnot. These people use these kind of automated robots. So do guys research on that, because and comment down what do you think, how different things can be integrated in India. Because a lot of things what we saw was distributorships. There's no OEM as such. So if you want to let your thoughts out, please comment down below. Basically heavy loads ह्यूमन से इतना उठ नहीं पाता है. फोक लिफ्टिंग में भी एक कंडीशन ऐसा आ जाता है कि द होल ह्यूमन लोड इज़ अ बिट मोर. These robots help in transmitting everything at once. So तुम्हारा फोक लिफ्टिंग हो गया, तुम्हारा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हो गया, everything just gets integrated very easily. Hypothetically assume that is a 1500 kilo block, right? Sorry for the flickering, but see the way how it is mounted, right? That whole thing moves along with that block, and that helps in the whole transportation part. Pretty interesting. See, that's how they are transporting the whole thing. So Purvil just pointed out, if you see this kind of a robot which is outside a cage and which is small, that's a cobot. And if you see something which is inside a cage and it is huge, something like this ABB or something like this, the yellow one, that is a proper robot. Says cobot में human interference allowed होता है. So if you have something which requires human interference, cobot में वो allowed होता है. Robot में वो usually allowed नहीं होता है. But if your requirement is that you want to integrate human interference in your robot, you can probably do it, right?
फन फैक्ट, अगर पता ना चले तो कोबोट है या रोबोट, हाथ टच कर लेना, हाथ टूट जाए तो रोबोट, हाथ नहीं टूटा तो कोबोट.
Don't do that in real life, but that's just a small hack that we are giving you guys. And just like that, the day has ended. I just dropped Purvil bhai to station. He's going back to Ahmedabad right now. The day has ended pretty well. The event was successful, and it was a fun day out. We had some good companies that we explored, good amount of information that we gathered for you guys as well as for us. If you want to see this type of content regularly, please do the needful, subscribe, like and share this video as much as possible. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Bonus.
खुद के रोबोट बनाओ, खुद के.